Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Okwe Oluwabumi. Here I film about pregnancy, motherhood, social controversial topics, and their likes. So feel free to subscribe, share, comment down below about your experience and your knowledge about the topic of today's video. Please feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. And if you are the first viewer, thank you for coming to my channel. You will love it here. Feel free to subscribe, share your thoughts about the video and the channel. All are welcome. So today I'll be talking about what to expect as a first-time expectant mom. I mean those women that just got pregnant for the first time in their life. So what are the things to expect as a first-time expectant mom? The first thing to expect is it is called morning sickness. Fine, but don't be surprised if you are always sick all day. It is called morning sickness, but I put it to you, ladies, that you get ready to be sick all day. It is called morning sickness, but it is not always like that. Fine, there are some people like that they can throw up in the morning. All the sicknesses, everything that they will experience will end maybe by the time they eat their breakfast, or maybe around afternoon, or after going to work, or getting themselves busy to distract themselves. They will feel better. But my dear, you are going to be sick all day. Don't expect to just okay. They said it is a morning sickness. By afternoon I should be okay. Don't be surprised if you are not feeling any better in the afternoon, even till the evening, and even at night. Till you will get over your first trimester. Your first trimester is the first week to 12 weeks. That is your first trimester. Don't be so surprised that you'll be sick all through those days. Some days can be better than other. You can be okay for a week at a stretch. Nothing do you are going in about your businesses, you're going to work. You did not experience any throwing up, spitting all day. And have it at the back of your mind that you might be spitting all about. Just package yourself, you'll be fine. It is those hormones, you'll be alright. You might be wondering, why am I now spitting like this? But those things are very normal as an expectant mom. You might be spitting, you might be vomiting, you might not be able to keep anything down your throat, but it is okay. You get better as time passes on. And another thing is your food habit is going to change. That you might be someone that loves rice, and you discover that why is it that at the sight of any plate of rice I'm always pissed. You cannot stand any plate of rice. It is normal. You will get when you are when you have given birth, you will love your rice again. And there's some persons that they won't, after that their pregnancy journey, their hatred for that dish or that food will continue. But in most cases, you are likely to go back to your normal self. You are still going to love your rice exactly the way you used to love it before the journey of 9 months. So feel free, just enjoy your pregnancy. Look for other things that you crave so that you have something to eat. And also that food that you think you hate so much might be your favorite during pregnancy. That's one thing about pregnancy. That food that you always think, those people that used to eat, that always eat it, that they are crazy. Don't be surprised that might be your favorite. I can remember the colleague that said she hates the sight of okra soup. Guess what? that was her best soup when she got pregnant with her first child. She said that she hates it to the extent that her husband was thinking that his wife got switched. That is this the lady that I got married to, that used to eat any plate, any soup that draws not even only okra soup, that okra soup is now her best soup that that wonders that pregnancy can do. Don't be surprised. You might not be surprised to experience that it is normal. You still go back to your normal self. Another thing is your sleeping habits will change. Permit me, guys, you to laugh, because some people can literally sleep anywhere at any time. Just name that place that they won't be able to sleep while being pregnant. A pregnant woman sleeps a lot. Don't be surprised. Why is it that anytime that I'm always feeling sleepy, it is normal. It's all those pregnancy hormones. They are still going to go back to your normal self that used to run errands here and there 24 hours. So just enjoy your pregnancy journey. Enjoy that 9 months. Take it as it comes. Don't be eager to say, is anything wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with you, my dear. Just feel free. Enjoy your pregnancy journey. Live fine. Take care of yourself, and remember to take your routine drugs. It is very, very important. And your routine drugs, remember to take it for the first 3 months. That is the most important part of those routine drugs. That your routine drugs are, if you are the one that you use pregnant care, make sure you use it every day. It is just once per day. And if it's all these vitamin B complex, folic acid, calcium, and all those things, I can't remember them all now. Then make sure you take it. Take it very seriously in those first things, first trimester, because that's when your baby's brain develops, and you don't want to have any physical or mentally challenged child. So please take it seriously. And those drugs, they will enhance your sleeping habits too, because if you take any vitamins drugs, you are likely to fall asleep. So though body differs, it might not have that effect on you, but I personally, whenever I take those drugs, I hate taking those drugs while at work whenever I'm pregnant, because immediately after eating, if I should take my drug at work, I zoom off to la la land, and I don't want to be sleeping on my duty. So I prefer to get home and take my routine drugs. So if you are the type that sleeps a lot before, expect more sleep, because pregnancy can be that fun. You can sleep anywhere. I've seen someone that she's sweeping and she just lie down on the floor there while still sleeping. The broom is still in her hand and she step off. That's what pregnancy can do to you. And also this one, you might be surprised that, are you still yourself? Are you normal? You might experience low libido. Though some, they will experience high libido, and some, they will experience low libido. Either ways, you are fine. Nothing is wrong with you. Don't look at it. If you are on the high libido side, don't just look at yourself and think, am I still normal? Is my mind still okay? Is my man not going to look at him and say, well, he might just explain to him that it is just the pregnancy. You still go, your libido will be fine, and it is a win-win for him anyways, because even if he is the one running after you before your pregnancy, then you be the one to run after him now, and it's a win-win for him. So don't be surprised if your libido is on the high side. You are normal. Nothing do you. You are okay. It is normal. You can. And if you experience low libido, don't panic. Your libido will come back to normal immediately you give birth. At times, even while still pregnant, maybe in your second trimester, your libido might come back, and it might not come back. It can even come back during the last trimester. So body differs. You're okay, nothing is wrong with you, everything is normal. So don't be discouraged that what has happened to me, look at what I've turned into just because of this pregnancy. Just enjoy those 9 months. It is a gift, it is a privilege for you to be able to get pregnant. So enjoy your pregnancy journey. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe, share, like, comment, and share your experience while being pregnant in the comment down below. I will really appreciate to read about other people's experience too. Thank you once again. I remain Okpe Oluwabumi, and see you in the next video.